Ah, nothing like the great outdoors.
Honey, the dinosaurs are back.
No worries, I'll take care of it. Now where were we? Yes. 5 outdoor tips for smart home technology. Let's go. Now, I don't claim to be a lawn care expert by any means. In fact, I actually hired a kid down the street to do my mowing for me. But when we first got our house, we had a sprinkler system that was already installed. And they did some programming, but it never seemed to really work well. It was like it was over watering or it wasn't watering enough. So I did upgrade to the ratio, which is this unit here. It is Wi-Fi controlled. Everything is done through the app. And it is weather intelligent, and so it actually can skip watering when needed. And the setup was a breeze. Like I said, we just replaced the unit, plug the wires in, and then through the app it asks a series of questions about your area, and it set up a schedule. So we really like that. We can control it, turn it on, off. We have it set so that it only goes in the evening time when we're not outside. But if we wanted to, we could do like a quick run. It's been great. So as you can see here, it's been raining quite a bit in the area, so it's been actually skipping over the normal scheduled runs. But we do have our default schedule. We can go in and see how often it's been used. Since we have it set up for the intelligent scheduling, there isn't any weather skips because it just adjusts the schedule. But if you had a fixed schedule or you're doing every other day, and then it saw that there was rain in the forecast, it would skip over, and then you would see the amount of times it's been skipped. I can go in and see, we got pictures of like the different parts of our yard, which is kind of neat, and the current estimated moisture level. And so right now it's been raining a lot, so it says 110%. I'm not 100% sure like how it got to that amount, but it will show like when it ran last, which was way earlier in the month. The 4th here, the 2nd, the 11th there. And it doesn't look like it wants to run again until the 25th because we do have more rain in the forecast. So that's pretty neat. We can also jump into the zones, learn more about them, and edit them. So if I wanted to change what type of vegetation it was, what kind of spray head it is, what type of soil, the exposure and flow settings, and you can get that all dialed in. So it took a little bit of adjusting, but we're really happy with what it's at currently. So we have a calendar view as well. We can delay water. We can skip things if we want. And then we can also look at our overall usage here. And so by zone. So really interesting stats. Again, everything's connected through Wi-Fi. We can share access. We can look at the map of our house. It's kind of neat. We can actually control it by voice. I don't really know what the point of that would be, but we do have the technology. Security is very important to us. So we have a number of cameras outside our home. Some that notify us right on our phone, like through our Ring system, and others that record down to the NVR system in the basement for local backup and 24/7 recording. That way, when the dinosaurs attack us again, we'll know that they were here and we can report the authorities. Smart locks are great because you can remotely check on your doors and also let people in if needed. But we actually like to use our MyQ smart garage door system. That way, if we have someone come over to drop something off, maybe it's a contractor, they can just go in this way. We have a lot of camera coverage on this area. We can see them going in and out, and then we can monitor to see if the garage door is closed from wherever we are. So we really like that. It's a Wi-Fi system. It's actually built right into the garage itself, but they do have conversion kits available. So if you have a garage door opener already, you could just add that on. Highly recommend that. When we first bought our house, my wife suggested getting an electric mower, and I thought to myself, like, no way, those aren't going to be powerful enough. But then we got electric vehicles. We have 2 of them now, and we're living that electric lifestyle. So we did eventually get an electric mower, and I'm actually really happy with how it performs. It's very quiet, very good run time. The battery, it just goes right in here, And it actually uses the same battery as our other tools. So we've got this fancy leaf blower, we've got the trimmer as well. You can just switch between them really quickly. It's got a lot of power, huh? Yeah, we actually love our Ego mower and other accessories. So if you were on the fence or anything, I definitely recommend it. We'll do some quick shots here comparing like the noise of the gas mower compared to this electric. And I think you'll see for yourself, it's a great option. Whether it's for security or for entertainment, smart lighting on your exterior is really important. We've got smart bulbs down in our patio space that can light up the night, and a lot of fun. Up on our deck, we've got rail lighting throughout, and then we've got a number of different security bulbs around the property as well. Floodlights that if they detect motion, they're going to light up. So those are really great. We really like them. And one last bonus thing for you guys is this Sonos Move. Now, we've shown this inside our house, but it's also battery operated, so you can bring it with you when you're on the go, bring it outside, and then bring it back inside when you're done. That way you don't have to worry about having like an exterior mounted speaker system or anything like that, or a separate speaker. We use this both for indoors and outdoors. It's got Amazon as well as the Google Assistant built right into it. You could connect via Wi-Fi as well as Bluetooth. So if a friend wants to play a song, they can just hit a button, connect right to it, entertainment on the go. My wife got me this for Christmas a while back, and it was a great gift. I really like it, so thank you, honey. If you guys like this video, be sure to subscribe. We've got more great content coming. Until next time, take care.